little rats. Welcome to the first episode of Love of the Lord. And today we are going to try a very simple experiment called the red cabbage pH scale experiment. The ingredients you will need to use are sanitizer, vinegar, water and sugar, lemon juice, water and baking powder, soda. I use Sprite because it's transparent and it's easy to see, and bleach. Here we have an extra, which is water and citric acid. This is the water and the raw materials we need to use. And last but not least, the most important thing, red cabbage. Actually, red cabbage. The first thing you will need to do is to mix the red cabbage with water and the mixer so it becomes liquid. And I will use this scale to compare the results in the end. So it's a really simple experiment. You seriously just if I remember well, you literally just need to pull the red cabbage juice here in the syringe, and you put a little bit in each one, because this is like not precisely a liquid. This is probably harder to mix. Come on. Oh, this smells. Pro tip, never smell the red cabbage juice. Never. It smells like red cabbage. This looks purple enough, I think. Just let me clean this. I'm using this metal stick to make it easier to stir the liquids and to mix them. Look how it takes different colors. This is purpley. This is and we keep adding. Oh my god, this doesn't move. They do not change. Beautiful. More. I want more. They all look purple to me. I don't know why. This is water. Oh my god. This is interesting. I want more. More. Ooh, green. Now I wonder how will this look. Purple again. This is anticlimactic. And this is green or yellow. I don't know. I'm colorblind. Okay. So after putting the liquids, you see that they have changed color, and now I have to order them. Let's see. This goes here because it's greener. Then goes the blue one. Then I don't know if the pink ones go before or after the purple ones. Interesting. I cannot see the purpley. No, this is like pink, but not as pink as pink. This is pinker. This is less pinker or more pinker. I don't know what I'm doing in my life. If I'm not colorblind, or if I'm colorblind enough, I see that they are now arranged. So this is how they got. Lemon juice first, then the vinegar, the soda, the water plus the sugar, the sanitizer, the what is this one? The baking powder plus water, and finally the bleach. Well, this has been everything in the first episode of... of course. And the extra one. Let's see how the citric acid behaves. And as I thought, pink. A pinker. So this goes around here. Now, yes, this has been everything for the first episode of the Lab of the Lord. Thank you very much, and see you next time, guys.